newlywed couple from Hawaii had a blast at their wedding despite being hit by a big wall of waves that toppled over their party. Dylan and Riley Murphy were a little concerned that Tropical Storm Darby would shower some rain on their special day, but they didn't even consider the high swells to be a potential threat. The couple, who live on the Big Island, welcomed guests at Hulihi Place in Kailua Kona on Saturday, where they had planned their outdoor ceremony. The storm began to fizzle out, but the ocean was still rocking from the turbulent weather when the couple decided to begin moving some things away from the seawall. We were kind of right at the moment where we were going to start moving a couple things, and yeah, this big wall basically just showed up, Dylan explained to Con. And luckily, there was no food in any of the containers. The cake luckily made it. Video from the moment the massive wave crashed down and jumped over the seawall was posted on Instagram. In the cliff wedding, guests are standing in the grass and mingling around some tables as a huge wall of wave is seen quickly approaching the rocky seawall. Some vigilant guests begin moving away from the wall as the crowd grows more concerned. A huge commotion is heard coming from the crowd as the wave crashes up and over the wall, splashing a few guests and knocking over several tables and some decor. Everyone seemed to remain in good spirit as they helped one another and moved further inland as more waves crashed onto the grass and flooded what would have been the dance floor. We didn't have our dance floor, but nobody seemed to mind. At the end of the night, we were all like dancing in the mud. It was amazing, really said. The couple was even able to capture some amazing photos with the dramatic waves in the background. After cleaning up and carrying on with their day, the couple agreed that the day actually went even better than planned, despite the dance floor and some decor being washed away. What do you think about this video? Tell us in the comment section below.